This is Chris Hansen. Right now the time, you can see it here, it's about 20 after 1 p.m. and I'm walking down the sidewalk right now. I'm on my way to the bank, and this thing, it's got so many blasphemies and sentences, it's running through my head. It's obviously a computer program. It's running it all through my head like my brain's some kind of hard drive or something. And it's keeping it up. Last night I made a record that it was pulling all this stuff up that it put in my brain and starting to run it through like all day long on a constant basis. Just running it through my head as I'm walking about thinking and this and that. And then it's even laughing from across the sky like there's something over on Punch Bowl, obviously. Even the north direction, when I was over in Silumpai, they used to use that directional satellite or whatever. When I was over on Hoftailing at Kong Silumpai, so far, I haven't heard it from the west yet today. They were talking last night after I put it on the calendar and made a video that we don't like our directional thing. If somebody tries like spotting it or whatever, or listening for it, we're in trouble. We got to change our headquarters, over in this area. There was just a lot of stuff I was hearing with his voice to skull way from the distant over here towards Honolulu Airport in the west. And it's always outside in. Or there's always, if I'm hearing this stuff in the back of my head, and I got this uncomfortable feeling like radio waves just scattering my natural brains firing order, like I'm going to go into a seizure or something. That's always associated, along with the voice to skull, with all this stuff. It's always associated with it. Right here, the cop here I'm passing. It's always associated with it over towards the west. So it's obviously a government computer program. It's obviously intentional. And it's getting bold. It just laughs, almost like the only thing I can think of is like G.I. Jane, where she was being brutally tortured and smacked and punched, and this thing, then the seal started like almost crying with her, like, and then he started laughing, at her torture. That's kind of what this thing does. So it's obvious it's a military, the same tactics, the same exact tactics, laughing at somebody's torture, the same exact tactics that they showed on that movie, is what they do through the air. They'll sit there, you'll make a note about it, or I'll make a note, I'd say you'll in the third person, like it could be anybody. You make a note of it, and I turn around and they just laugh at you and crank it up anyways. That's how bold this thing is. It just, it doesn't matter where you're at, what you're doing. It just starts cranking you. And then when you start making a public scene about it and saying something, it's like it turns down just a little bit, and you can feel it in your brain. I can feel it in my brain. It's like it goes and it goes down, and then they start laughing about it, and then they start raising it back up again. That's what I mean. It's just getting bold. It doesn't matter where I'm at anymore. It just continues to to do it anyways. This is a record of it. It's now the 2nd of July 2019, and the time right now is 1:24 p.m.